Big data is a collection of large data sets that cannot be processed using traditional computing techniques. The testing of these data sets involves various tools, techniques, and frameworks to process. Big data relates to data creation, storage, retrieval, and analysis that is remarkable in terms of volume, variety, and velocity. At IrisLogic, we are experts in big data testing using in-house developed automation frameworks. At IrisLogic, we have the frameworks to make these processes and automations simple and efficient, and as data engineering and data analytics advances to the next level. Our engineers have experience in automating QA for user interface, back-end data queries, and web services API. Our testing platform and framework reduces time to write scripts and test considerably, saving customers precious time and resources. Architecture testing is the important phase of big data testing, as poorly designed systems may lead to unprecedented errors and degradation of performance. Performance testing for big data includes verifying data throughput, data processing, and sub-component performance. IrisLogic is a perfect partner to navigate you through this journey of big data application and infrastructure manual and automated testing using state-of-the-art framework, platforms, and expertise. We are all well-versed in all areas of Hadoop, MapReduce, Spark, Yarn, Cloudera, Kafka, Hive, HBase, Tez, Pig Zookeeper, Squoop, Flume, Uzi, and much more. IrisLogic has been providing big data and testing services to some of leading financial, manufacturing, and IT companies. Contact us today to find out more and how we can partner to help you navigate through this journey.